Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Frosty Home Productions, and I hope you are doing great. So I got some exciting news for you that has been announced by me coming from Computer Universe deals, space deals today. We got the RTX 3060, now even cheaper than the RTX 2060, 12 gigabytes, with better performance, and also the problem that is it's just with one fan. But the good news that it's really lower the price than the RTX 2060 12 gigabytes. So as you can see, if we lower the gigs to 6, we might gonna see the price of it going even lower. So as you can see, the 3060 from Asus Phoenix is the cheapest one with 268 euros. The deal is limited, so please make sure you take it so fast. I'll give you a code below to get a 5 euros coupon for it, and yeah, this is it. I already ordered some stuff from it, and this website is legit. It ships worldwide, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I see you next time.